Hey, this is Adam from Mecanto Product Reviews. Today I'm going to be doing a demo of OptimizePlayer. Uh, I'm going to be doing this while I wait for my wife to get home, and so I'm going to try to get this done fairly quick so I don't have to, come back and finish it later. Because I know once she gets home, I'm probably never getting back to this. So, with all due respect, so so here's the thing. I so far I really like this product. I know it can do more than just adding calls to action to a video, but that seems to be the feature that has really got me personally interested in this product, and mostly because I like the way in which you add the calls to action to your video, and I like the way they look. I mean, it's very professional. It's you can customize it as much as you need to, compared to other similar products that I've seen, and just the interface is very clean, which I like as well. So as you can see, I've played with it just a little bit. This is actually only my second time accessing my members area, and before that I've only used it for about 10 minutes just to test uploading a video and basically, how to just adding certain little features to that video. So let's get started with a new project. I'm going to come over here, click New Project, and pick a random video from my hard drive. Just so you know, you can also use Amazon Rackspace, or you can also pull a video from YouTube by simply typing in the URL. Same goes for Amazon and Rackspace. But I'm going to grab a video from my hard drive, and it's just going to be a video that I downloaded at one point. I think it's another person's product demo. So it takes a moment to upload the video. Obviously, that will depend on the size of your video. I'm going to pause and come back when this is at 100%. Alright, so this is where you're going to be after your video has uploaded and gone through the processing. There's going to be some options up here, some quick options. You can grab your embed code with a click of a button. Your classic embed code plays it in a web page, or you can do a pop out, which are, these are becoming very popular, and a lot of people are using these, when you exit a page, or having them appear in front of a web page at a certain time. You can do that as well. So there's that. And you also have analytics data. You can check how many people have viewed the video. And here is where we are interested in going right now. You can customize the video. Now let me show you that real quick. Visually, there's a lot of things that you can customize. What you want to display in the video. You can even display Facebook shares and likes, Twitter shares and likes. That's pretty cool. And here's the cool thing also. If you enable these, it's going to automatically update your preview right here, so you can see what it would look like to add these elements. So I'm going to add the sharing. I personally think sharing is good to have. Good to encourage anyone to share your videos today, because social sharing is such a significant ranking factor. You can do auto start or no autoplay. I'm going to leave this as is with autoplay off, and and then you have smart play. I'm not quite sure what that is. I imagine smart play is, for example, if you were to start watching this video and you watch 2 minutes of the video, leave the website that it's on, then come back to that website at a later time, that video will pick up from where you left off at the 2-minute mark. So that's what I'm pretty sure smart play is. And you can also limit access to certain URLs. So I'm just going to add those social buttons and the email button. And you can also change the dimensions. For example, I like to kind of have my videos embedded with like about a 640 width, 360 height. So I selected those dimensions, and now I can move over to the call to action feature, where you can really add a lot of different things to your video. And as you can see, let's see here, if we go to survey, as you can see, with any element that you decide to add to your video, you can decide whether you want to show that on the video start, on the video pause, at the end of the video, or at a specific time in the video. I usually like to display on start and end, depending on what your offer or whatever the call to action, depending on the call to action itself. So I'm going to actually cancel the survey. What I would like to do first is show you how to add an opt-in. So here you can see the default is enter your email to play this video, which actually I think is a pretty cool and smart way to get opt-ins, to kind of say, you know, depending on what your video is, maybe it reveals a, you know, secret about how to rank websites, and you kind of tell your visitors, hey, you know, if you want to watch this video, if you want to see the secret, you know, give me your email address and you will have access to the video. That's a cool way to get opt-ins. It probably is very effective, but you can do it however you want. You can even do you can even place this outside the video, which I think is really cool. So there's a lot of flexibility here as far as how much you can customize your videos. Here's the opt-in options. You can select your autoresponder. I currently have Aweber linked up to OptimizePlayer, and then select one of your lists. You can change the text. Let's say enter your email for more tips. Oops. For more tips. You know, I'm just totally making this up. It really doesn't matter. And then I'll change the button to say submit. Font size, we'll leave that alone. Confirmation settings, you can either use the default or you can add your own custom notification, or you can send them to a URL like a thank you page, confirmation page, or you can have none at all. So I'm going to actually have my own custom note that'll just say thank you for submitting, so that text is just going to pop up when someone enters their email address. My show options, I am going to have this one show at the end of the video. And by the way, you can actually do this. You don't have to choose just one of these options. It appears that if you wanted to, you could have your call to action, in this case the opt-in form, appear on a stop, on a pause at a specific time, and at the end of the video. I'm just going to place it at the end of the video. Actually, let's do end and pause, since I'm going to show you this at one point and I don't want to have to wait until the end of the video to show you how it works. And then you have your visual options. You can have a full screen function, background color, button color, all that good stuff. Let's actually change our button color for fun. How about using a blue color, kind of like that one? We'll go ahead and use that. Or maybe maybe some kind of teal. Can I get a teal color? Let's see. I don't know. We won't waste too much time on that. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that. So there we have added a opt-in to our video, and we have it displaying on pause and at the end of the video. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this appear below the video, and I'll tell you why in a second. The reason I'm doing this is because I actually want to add something else that will appear on the video. Let's see, do I have to click save or anything like that? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we're going to save it, And actually, okay, so here you can see we've added the CTA opt-in. This is what we've added to the video. There is the instructions for the CTA opt-in. It's going to be on finish and on pause. We're going to add another one, and this time, and you can also add custom HTML. You can put social icons on the video. See, there's or social sharing. See that? That's pretty cool there. And let's do a survey. Okay, so here we are. We're going to do a survey on the video itself. Answer options. Here we go. Add a question. Did you like this video? Add an answer. I think this is, here we go. Yes or no. Pretty easy, right? Next question will be, would you recommend this product to a friend? I'm just adding totally random questions here. Again, it really doesn't matter. We're just kind of entering placeholder, stuff so you can actually see it when we demo the video itself. Last, I'll say, I don't know, are you going, or do you want an 80% discount today? And then you would say yes or no. So there, every time they click next, they're going to get another question, or you could just have one. The show options here, again, on start, on pause, at the end, or at a specific time. Let's do at the end of the video. Visual controls. If I had the button color that I used for the opt-in, I would have plugged it in here, but I don't remember the code. So I'm just going to leave that alone. But you could change the background. You could do whatever you want to do as far as customization goes, as you can see here. But that's it for the survey, as you can see. Pretty cool function there. So we're going to save our survey, and now we have 2 calls to action basically programmed into our video. So at this point, let's save the video, and saving it right now. Okay, and you can also update the title of the video. I can call this YouTube test, right? Something, I don't know, whatever. And then grab our new embed code. So if I want to embed this video on a page, on a web page, I'm just going to copy the code. There's a button to actually copy it there. Paste it in Notepad to have it handy. And then I'm going to access one of my WordPress blogs and insert it in the body of that page. Alright, so I'm on a WordPress blog that I use for testing, and I'm going to get the code and paste it on a new WordPress post. So I'll give it a title, YouTube test, and simply going to paste the code right in there, and then publish. Then I'm going to view the post, and everything should show up the way that we set up our video and calls to action in that video. So this is actually something else here that I did in another demo. Don't worry about that. I'm going to close that. As you can see, the social share buttons are down here. I'm going to let the video load just in case that matters. I'm not sure that it does. But we're going to play the video, and I'm going to mute it.
Thanks for clicking to watch the demo. Sean is going to show you.
Okay, so turn the volume down. Now a couple things should happen. When I pause the video, we should see something come up, and when we get to the end of the video, we'll see something else come up. You can also have it come up based on time, which we did not do. So there's the pause, and there is the first opt-in, which is an email opt-in below the video. Again, I think that's really cool the way that it's just so clean, comes up right below the video. Could have been on the video, but we set it up to go below. And if you enter an email address here, in fact, let's go ahead and do that. This is one of my email addresses, so hopefully it's not already on the list, otherwise it won't let me opt in. But so I click submit, and there it is. Thank you for submitting. No problem. Close. Got rid of it. Continue watching the video. Now we're going to go towards the end of the video, and let's just kind of let it play through here. It's only a few seconds left. And there you have it. Here is the survey. Did you like the video? Yes. Next. Would you recommend to a friend? Yes. Do you want an 80% discount today? Yes. Thank you for filling out the survey. So, and remember, these surveys get logged, so the results and the answers that people give you. So, then you close that. So
Thanks for clicking to watch.
You can really add all kinds of stuff to this video, and it's a lot easier to use than similar products that I've tested as far as call to action on your videos. So I would definitely recommend it. It's just a very professional, sleek feel overall. So that's about it for this demo. There are definitely other functions that we did not go over, but you kind of saw them as we were setting up the video itself. The last thing I will mention, there's going to be a link on this video and below the video. If you click that link, you're going to go to my OptimizePlayer product review. From that review page, you're going to see several premium bonus products on the page, which means if you purchase OptimizePlayer through my review page, you're going to get all of those bonuses shown. In addition, below the list of bonuses, there's going to be a link that allows you to choose any or substitute any of the bonuses from my default list that you don't like and choose any bonuses from my master list in its place. Theoretically, you could choose 30 bonuses and replace all of my default bonuses if you want. So that's about it. I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day.